This is Elliot and welcome back to Get Your Pet. We are in Maine and we are going to show you the dogs that we saw on our trip in Maine. We're also going to talk about what leave no trace means. This is a very important thing to Girl Scouts. So, leave no trace means Principle 1, plan ahead and prepare. Principle 2, travel and camp on durable surfaces. Principle 3, dispose of waste properly. If you are at a place, don't leave any litter, and also try to make the place where you are in cleaner than it was when you got there. And so even if there's trash on the floor and you didn't cause it, still clean it up, because it's the right thing to do. Principle 4, leave what you find, except trash. Acadia, even the cons are a part of leave no trace. Principle 5, minimize campfire impact. Principle 6, respect wildlife. Like, don't feed the squirrels, because that is leaving a trace. Principle 7, be considerate of other visitors. Here we are on our way down and we haven't even seen a single dog yet. I hope that would change. Hey dog.
Yeah, absolutely.
So cute.
Yay.
This is Elliot reminding you to get your pet.